how to remove repeater in Wix. So what I've done is I've just logged into my Wix account and I've clicked on edit site. This has loaded up the Wix website editor. Now to show you this, I'm going to use the search bar and I'm just going to add a repeater here as an example. So for example, I'll just do this first one. I'll drag and drop it onto my website like so. Here, if we want to remove a separate item from the repeater itself, what we're going to do is left click on it, the repeater I mean, and we'll click on manage items. This will show us all of the separate items that have been created for our repeater, and if we want to remove any section of the repeater itself, we'll click on the three dots and then we'll select delete. This will leave us with only two items instead of three in my case. Now if you want to remove the whole repeater, then what you have to do is click on it, but make sure you have not selected a container, because if I click on the delete button here, it's not going to delete the entire repeater. What you want to do is make sure you left click on the repeater itself, so the repeater is highlighted in blue. And now if I press the delete key on my keyboard here, then this will remove the repeater in Wix. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.